Hello everyone, so today's video is going to be a motivational clean with me. The first thing that I did was to start a load of clothes in the washer, and I am using 7th generation laundry detergent. And then I moved on to cleaning up the bedroom. I picked up the clothes on the floor and then I made the bed. I love this little humidifier that I have here by the bed. I will run it with or without oils, and this humidifier is from the brand House Smile. Then I clean the countertop and mirror in our master bathroom, and I use the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. This is in the mint scent, and I love using this stuff on the bathroom countertops and mirrors. It just works really great. After that, I started cleaning up the kitchen. I started by cleaning off the table, and thank you to those of you who recommended a high chair in my last cleaning video. I would say probably about 90% of you recommended the IKEA high chair, so I went ahead and ordered it, and it is actually supposed to arrive today, so I'm pretty excited about that. I've been getting so many eggs for my chickens, it's awesome. I have 5 hens and they've been laying 5 eggs a day. The laundry was done in the washer, so I put that into the dryer, and then I started a second load of laundry in the washer. These 3 wool dryer balls are from the Grove Collaborative website. You can buy them in a pack of 3 on there, and these are a natural alternative to dryer sheets. There are so many harmful chemicals in dryer sheets, so instead you can use wool dryer balls, and if you want to add some scent to your clothes, you can add a few drops of essential oil onto your dryer balls. If you want to get some, I will put my link for the Grove Collaborative website down below, and if you use my link, you can get $10 off your first order. And lastly, I helped Kyle pick up the toys in the living room. He is such a great little helper. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that this video was motivational for you, that it gave you that little bit of motivation that you needed to get your cleaning done. I will see you in my next video. Have a great week.